Hey everybody, welcome back to the Racefy Smokehouse and Grill. So excited that you're back here. Today I'm just gonna have fun. This is an experiment. Never done this before. I am gonna be cooking this rack of baby back ribs, buffalo style. Stick around, I think this is gonna be awesome. Thanks again for hanging in there, everybody. And once again, I've been inspired by Chud's Barbecue. I saw him spraying down some ribs and some other meats with Louisiana hot sauce. So I thought, why not make these buffalo style, just like chicken wings? So we're gonna do our best to make these buffalo style. First thing we're gonna do is I prefer to take the membrane off the back. So we're gonna start with that. Get a butter knife, usually get it started. Get under there. It's usually easier with a napkin, paper towel. Get underneath there. Just pull it off. This came off really well. All right, cool. Next thing we're gonna do is trim some of this excess off. And a couple of these bones, we know that these bones down here at the end, these smaller guys, these typically burn up and fall off, so we'll just remove those. Same thing down here with this extra meat and these loose bones. We're just gonna get rid of one here. Again, this is all stuff that's gonna burn off and probably fall out anyway. So now we have this nice trimmed up set of baby back ribs. I am gonna hit it with the following seasoning. Frank's Red Hot Buffalo seasoning. Then I'm gonna hit it with some salt and some coarse black pepper. That's all I'm doing for the seasoning. Once we get to the wrap, we're gonna add some buffalo sauce that it's gonna baste in with some butter. So let's get this rubbed up. I'm gonna hit it with this light powder. Hopefully get some of that good buffalo flavor on here. Hit it with some salt. Using kosher salt here. And some black pepper. We're gonna go ahead and do that to both sides. This slab of baby back ribs is seasoned and it's ready to go on the grill. Today we're using the Weber Smoky Mountain and we're using Jealous Devil lump charcoal with chunks of post oak as our fuel source. So let's go get that Weber Smoky Mountain fired up and get these on the grill. These ribs are now on. We're gonna cook this at about a 275-degree temperature for the next couple hours, then we're gonna wrap. So let's close this down. We'll be back when it's time to spritz. These ribs are on. It's gonna run at about 275 degrees the whole cook. We're gonna go ahead and make up a spritz, which is basically just gonna be buffalo sauce. And we're gonna come back in about an hour and give this a spritz, really get that concentrated buffalo sauce taste. Let's go put that spritz together. Okay, these ribs have been going for about an hour. So what we're gonna do now is give them a little spritz. And all I did was take a bottle of Frank's buffalo wing sauce, add a spray cap on top, and we're gonna spray them. Let's go. These are coming along well. Let's just spritz this up here. Oh, these are looking good. All right, let's close it back up. Come back in a little while. So these ribs have been on for about 2 hours now, and they have set up beautifully. They're looking great. You got that great buffalo color. So now we're gonna finish these cooking here. I'm gonna put a couple pats of butter down. And to get a little bit more of that buffalo flavor, we're gonna just hit it again down here with some buffalo sauce. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this to both sides. We got that awesome buffalo sauce in there wrapped up with butter. This is gonna cook it, really get that buffalo flavor in there deeper. Let's wrap it up, get it back on the grill. Wrapped up, time to go back on. We're probably gonna let it go about another hour and a half or so on the Weber. We'll come back and we'll check the tenderness. Once it gets floppy, see it's still pretty thick. We want it to be, or still pretty stiff. We want it to get kind of floppy. Then we'll know it's time to unwrap and finish it up. So let's get this back on. Again, we'll be about another hour, hour and a half before we unwrap. Okay, these have been wrapped up for about an hour and a half. Let's give them a quick bend test here. Yep, they're getting pretty loose. Let's take a quick peek. Those are looking really nice. Great bone pullback. So I'm gonna say these are ready to be unwrapped. So all I'm gonna do is pull them out of the wrap, throw them back meat side up. We're gonna give it one last hit of buffalo sauce. And that's it. We're gonna let this set up for about 30 minutes and then we're gonna cut into it and see how we did. Here we are about 4 hours in and we have these awesome buffalo ribs. These are baby back ribs. And I think that they're looking amazing. Hopefully they taste good. I've never had ribs like this before, so we're gonna give it a try here. First thing that I notice is they're super tender. These are cooked really well, all the way through, good smoke ring on them. Let's try these out. I'm excited. I love buffalo sauce. I love buffalo wings, so. This actually came out really good. If you love grilled buffalo wings, you really need to try some buffalo style ribs. Man, these are delicious. It's not overpowering with the buffalo sauce flavor, but it's there. There's a tang, there's a little bite to it. It's really, really good. Man, these are delicious, wow. I also have some blue cheese over here that I thought I'd give it a whirl here. Hey, why not, right? Buffalo style. I usually don't eat this much on camera, but man, look at that. This was really good. Give it a try at home. Come back, let me know how it worked out for you. If you like what we're doing here, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Cheers, take care, and talk to you soon.